The Xiaomi 15 Pro 5G is a flagship device that boasts a premium design, powerful performance, and advanced features. It is built around a 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED display, which offers a high resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels and a pixel density of 522 ppi. The screen supports Dolby Vision and HDR10, ensuring vibrant colors and high contrast, with peak brightness reaching 3200 nits. The Xiaomi 15 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, an octa-core processor with a combination of high-performance cores, up to 4.32 GHz, and power-efficient cores. It's paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB, using the fast UFS 4.0 technology. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and excellent gaming performance. The camera setup is impressive, featuring a triple rear camera array. The primary 50MP wide lens is complemented by a 50MP periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom and a 50MP ultra-wide lens, enabling high-quality images across various shooting scenarios. Video capabilities include 8K at 2430 fps, 4K at up to 60 frames per second, and slow-motion video up to 960 frames per second. For selfies, the device runs on Android 15 with Xiaomi's HyperOS 2 interface, offering a clean and user-friendly experience. Battery life is supported by a robust 6100 mAh battery, capable of 90W fast wired charging and 50W wireless charging, ensuring the device powers up quickly. Overall, the Xiaomi 15 Pro 5G is a powerful, feature-packed smartphone designed for users seeking top-tier performance, camera capabilities, and a premium design. Thank you so much.